Hey y'all. So today we're gonna play with a wreath that was a kit. It was a succulent wreath. So this should be a relatively quick and easy wreath. So this was a really nice full bush. So I'm going to get it nice and spread out. Y'all, I'm thinking I want to place it right here into the wreath. It basically fills out the whole 14-inch grapevine with this one succulent bush. Get our glue. A lot of people have been asking about the glue guns. We sell out in minutes every time we get them in. We have about 100 listed right now in our Etsy store that you can go grab. All right, next, y'all, I'm gonna make the bow for this one. So I'm gonna use this fun little cactus ribbon. All right. This is just a funky bow. It's basically one loop on each side. All right, get our tails fluffed out. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna wrap my stem, my bow around my stem right here. Y'all, let's trim our tails up. Y'all wanna do it the candy method or the sane person method? Y'all, I'm just kidding. I like to harass Candy. So y'all, I'm just cutting these tails kind of layered. All right. So y'all, just a little simple bow. Y'all, this was a kit that we sold in our Etsy shop. This is really a pineapple top, but it looks like a succulent to me, so we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna kind of spread out the leaves a little bit to make it look a little bit bigger than it was. All right, I'm gonna get one out the top, but I'm also gonna take the other one and I'm gonna bend it like this, right? Then I'm gonna trim it down and I'm gonna work it into the bottom so that it comes a little bit different. Trim this. Y'all, they basically have a telephone pole in there. The wire's so thick. Y'all, I want to cut some of this plastic off of here. Basically, like if you're stripping an electrical wire, there's a really thick wire in the middle of all this. And I don't want to deal with all this paper that's on here. See, I just wanted to get down to that thick wire stem. That way it's easier to put into the grapevine. All right, so now I can easily get this into our grapevine. It's a little windy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to get this other one up here at the top. So I just ran that large stem all the way down into the base. All right, then this one, I'm gonna cut up into smaller pieces. All right, so I'm gonna take this greenery bush and start filling in All right, y'all, and this piece down here, I'm gonna use it underneath the bow this way to make the wreath look a little bit longer than what it was. Nice and simple, really nice and full. A little succulent garden. This would also look really pretty with just a burlap bow. So if you have some of this ribbon, so this color coordination with succulents is also really pretty, but I wanted to give it a little bit of green pop, and it's got some little pink flowers on the cactus that I liked. It helped bring in the maroon in this succulent down here. This started out on a 14-inch oval, and it's now 20 by 22. All right, y'all, that is it. Remember that we have glue guns on Etsy, decoexchange.etsy.com. Bye, y'all.